Start. Hope you are able to see my screen. Then yesterday we discussed about the screen height and width, right? So we discussed with the screen width and height and screen avail width and avail height. So then after that, next window width and a window height. Okay. So we can check with the window width and window height. Window inner width and window inner height. Okay. So then for this one, so the window object is supported by all the browsers. So without window object, there is no JavaScript, there is no browser. So whatever browser is there, all the browsers must support the JavaScript. If JavaScript is runs in the browser, compulsory 100%. So the window object must be supported because of whenever we are running, so we must open the window. So then after that, when you print anything, so we have to open the document. These two objects must support the browser. Okay, the window object is supported by all the browsers. It it represents the browser's window. All global JavaScript object functions and variables automatically became a member of window object. Became a member of window objects whenever we are writing. So any variables, either JavaScript, either objects or functions or variables. So before that, we are having window is the prefix for all those. Okay, so that's why. So for each and everything, so it is having the window. So that's why we are not writing that one. So but internally it is having, so window is the object for all the functions, variables, and whatever variables we are having, either primitive data types or non-primitive data types. Okay, so global variables are properties of Windows object. Global functions are methods of Windows object. So anything is a window. Window is the object for all those variables, functions, or objects or arrays, whatever it is. Okay. So now we can see the how we can calculate. Yesterday we are calculating only screen width and screen height. So then whenever we are, so basically whenever we are opening our application in the different browsers, in the different browser, so we are different browsers and different devices, so this create the window width and height is different, right? So then how we can calculate based on that calculation only, based on JavaScript object, window object only, so we are able to write the media screens, we are able to write the media screens, media CSS. Okay, so then we can see how we can calculate. We are having the default function, so window inner width here only. So I'm writing document dot write avails window height and window width. Okay, so here window dot window dot inner width. Okay, right. So then after that, so then for height calculation, window dot inner height. Okay, so this is the method, so we can calculate the window height and width. Window height and width. Now you can see. So what is my window width? So at present 1536 full width and 404 is the height of window, this window. Okay. So when I am removing, so previously see screen width always 824 and 864 because of it is calculating the entire screen. Now It is calculating, the window is calculating this window only. Okay, when I close this inspect element, then you can change the window height. So now window height is 754. Okay, now our window height is 754. So why 754? So previous window screen height is 864, now 754. Right? So because of it is calculating this one, it is calculating window height means, so this is the one. Okay, from here it is calculating from here to bottom. So above whatever browser is there, whatever browser controls is there, so that one it is removed. Okay, so this is the window wherever we are writing, wherever we are executing the program. So that is the window. Okay, so that height is 754 and width is 1536. Now you can see I am minimizing this one. Okay, minimize this window. Now you can see with this 1020 now. Okay, based on this resize, based on this window size, so we are able to write the media screens in the bootstrap. See now 822, now 514, 471. Okay, so this way we can calculate the based on JavaScript functions. We can able to write the media screen CSS. This way we can calculate the window width. Okay, this way we can calculate the window width and height, both the things. Okay, so the next one is window locations. Window locations means URL location, where it is exactly. Okay, what it is happening, what is www, what is http, so what is the host name, so we can able to see all those things in window.location. Okay, so window.location is the object can be written without window prefix, without window prefix. Window.location.href returns the href URL of the current page where we are having. Okay, so then window.location.hostname, it is showing our domain name. It is showing our domain name. Window.location.path name, where we are, which page we are. Okay, so window.location.protocol. So we are having the two type of protocol in the browser. We are having the two type of protocols. One is HTTP and another one is HTTPS. Yes means security. Hypertext transfer protocol and hypertext transfer protocol with security. Whenever we are having any payment related sensitive data is there, then we can able to integrate we can able to use the protocol HTTPS. Okay, so how it looks HTTPS. So if you can see, so this one, so without security. Okay, if you are able to see. So then if you can open any other application, when we are having this lock symbol to the browser, when we are having this lock symbols, that means, so this application follows the HTTPS. Okay, and you check this one, this is the one, HTTPS. Okay, hypertext transfer protocol with security. Okay, here we can able to see, so this one is having the HTTP protocol or not, HTTPS protocol or not. Okay, so if you are having this means, so all our data will transfer securely. Okay, right, so that is the protocol. So the next one is the window.location.assign. So it loads in new document, it loads in new document. Okay, so these are the window locations we are having. First we can see window.location. This 71.50. First one is the window location. window dot location, right? So next one is the window dot window path or URL, right? Window URL. So then window dot HTTP, window dot href, sorry, href, okay, href. So the next one is window dot window window path sorry, host. So then window dot host name. Why it is not having, sorry, window dot location dot host. Okay. So this one also window dot location dot href. Okay. So the next one is window HTTP protocol, window protocol, window dot location dot protocol, window dot location dot href. Now we can see up to here. So this cannot show the output because of, so we are running the file outside of the server 71 dot. See, so location is came our file, so where it is having, so both we are having, so window dot url and window dot location both we are getting same, but host and file we are not getting because of it is opening, we are directly open the file in the browser, right? We are not run through the host. Okay, so that's why we are getting this one. So then now we can run this file through host. 71. So then ht docs js, here we are having js71. So then I have to open the server. So this is my Apache server. Here it is, Apache. Okay. So then now localhost slash js slash psa. Where is our file? So it is having in the different, same thing, XAMPP ht-docs js is the, now you can see js71.html when I execute. See, localhost is the domain name. Localhost is the domain name. So then protocol is the HTTP. Protocol is the HTTP. Okay. So the next one, we are having the, so href we are able to see, then host name, path name. Next one is the path name. Document.write window path name. equal to then plus window dot location dot path. Okay, then now you can see where is pattern. Oh, you written in the different. Here is our file. Okay, so this is my partner. Okay, js.js71.html. Here also we can see. So all the things are coming same. Okay, so because of it is not in server. Okay, so the next one partner. So then assign this one. So the window loads in new tab. Okay. So the instead of this one, so we are able to use the ahref target blank. We are able to use. Okay. So these are the window locations. Window location that href, host name, path name, and protocol. Okay. Clear. So the next one is history. How these buttons are activate this back button and forward buttons, how these buttons are working. So based on the JavaScript, okay, history back and history forward. So the window history object can return without the window prefix. Okay, so to protect the privacy of the users, there are limitations to how JavaScript can access this object. Some methods we are having history of back and history of forward. Okay, same as clicking the back in the browser, same as clicking in the forward in the browser. Okay, so using these buttons only we can able to go back and go forward. Okay, so we can see how these things are working. Here it is, js72.html, then JavaScript string methods. Document.write string back method and history forward methods, right? So then to go those things, so we can able to write. So I have a two buttons, button, and in this button, back button, and another one is forward button, forward button. Okay. So here I am calling the function, function, or otherwise you can directly write on click, on click, on click equal to so window dot history dot back. Okay, so when we click on this one, so it will go to that. Okay, so the next one history dot forward. Sorry, this is a function. We'll see this will work or not. 72.html. My function, I'm writing this one here. So then when I click on this one function, my function, then window dot window dot. So then history dot back. Okay. Now you can see now we are in 72, so 72.html. When I click on this one, back button. So then on click. Okay, it is going to the 71.html. Now here forward button is enabled. So then when I am in, so in this one, so here I am writing another function called forward. Okay, function forward. Okay, so same function I am calling here on click my function forward. Now you can see here, so we cannot go forward because of okay, study forward. See here, so when I click on this one, so it won't go because of there is no history, there is no forward history to this one. Okay, so when I click on this back button, so here we are having the forward history. So now I can place this buttons in this 71.html. Here I have two buttons. So then after that, I am placing these two functions also here. Okay, now you can see here also we are having. So when I click on forward, it will go to the 72.html. Okay, when I click on this one, it will go to the 71.html. Okay, 72 and 70. So this way, the browser back button and forward button so will work in JavaScript. Okay, so the next one is prompt boxes, pop-up boxes. So we are having in the JavaScript basic pop-up box is window.alert. Basic pop-up box is window.alert. So the next one is the confirmation box. Okay, confirm box. A confirm box is often used if you want the user to verify or accepting. Okay, so if you want to click on OK or cancel. Okay, so that is the one confirm box. So the next one is the user input value. In the alert box also we can place the input value. Okay, we can create a input value. Okay, using these prompt boxes. So first one is the alert box. 23.html JavaScript prompt or alert. Okay. Prompt or alert. Now you can see here. First one. This is the alert one. Click to open alert. Okay. So then here alert function I am creating. Okay, so function. Okay, alert. So then okay, so then the window dot alert. Okay, so welcome to JS alert box. Alert box. Okay, So this is the first row. This is the basic prompt boxes. 73.html. What happened? Maximum construct size exceeded. Huh? My alert. Okay. Okay. So because of alert is a reserved keyword, so that's why we cannot use that alert keyword reserved keywords as a function. Okay. So then now you can able to see this is the alert box. So then after that confirmation. Okay. Confirmation either if you can press OK or if you can cancel. So we can able to get the status what you are pressing the buttons. Okay. So then for that, so we can able to this is the confirm box. Okay. So then here again function my confirm. Okay. So then after that here, so here I'm calling my function confirm box. Okay. So here if window dot confirm click to OK, click to OK button. So then here document dot get element by ID. So then btn or confirm status dot inner html equal to. So then we can use the status here. We can use the status here. User confirmed the user confirmed the or user confirmed the status. Okay. So for that. So then else user cancel the status. So now here we have to create a h2 or h3. So then id equal to id equal to confirm status. Okay. Now we can see confirm box. See. So for alert is different. So if we cannot do anything, so we have to do any either click or cancel. Otherwise, we cannot go to the document or window. We cannot go to or we cannot do any operations. We have to do any of the we have to accept any either click on OK or cancel. Okay. So then I am clicking OK. So then user confirm the status. Okay. So then again I am clicking. So user cancel the status. Okay. Previous alert is different and this alert is different. So previous alert there is no option cancel option. We have only one option OK. Okay. So we have to accept that alert. So here so we are having either OK or cancel. Two buttons. Okay. Clear. This is the basic alert and confirmation box difference. So the next one is the prompt box prompt. So user can enter the something. So user can interact with those inputs. Okay. So that is the prompt box. Okay. So the prompt box is often used if you want to user to input a value before entering a page. Okay, so when user wants to access the page, so compulsory we have to enter some input data, otherwise it won't allow to access that page. Okay, so whenever we are using any OTP related thing, so if we can enter the correct OTP, then only we can able to access, otherwise we cannot access. Okay, so these type of prompt boxes they are using. This type of prompt boxes they are using. Okay, so now we are copying this same thing. Here it is. So where text and created prompt box, please enter your name. Okay, so otherwise it won't yellow. Okay, so we are using the if the person equal to null or empty, so it is going user cancel the prompt box. Okay, or else so then text. Okay, so when we enter a name, hello, that person name, then how are you today? Okay, so this text we are showing. Then after that, document that get element by id. Here is the status message we are going to print output. So then here is this is the prompt text, right? So then we can able to create in h2, again h2, h3. So then id equal to prompt. Okay, so prompt we are created. So then what we are doing here, so prompt please enter your name. So this one we are able to show, this is the label of that one, and inside that one, so if you want to suppose I am entering empty now. See now, please enter your name. Okay, so then if you want to directly call, user cancel the prompt box. Okay, so then when we reload something, okay, tracks. Okay, hello Teja live track, how are you today? So for suppose, if we have to, for suppose here I'm giving the 1 2 3. So if the 1 2 3 is then only we can able to allow, otherwise we cannot allow to see this page. Okay, so then how we can show that one? So person none, then person user cancel the prompt box. So then else if person equal to, for suppose, either 1 2 3 or this one also, person 1 2 3. So both are same, right? The prompt equal to 1 2 3, so then only we are able to allow to see this one. Okay, next hello. So then person, otherwise otherwise otherwise, we are able to redirect it to other page, we are not allowed to this one. So then how we can just give me a second. So here, if else, so then window dot location dot href equal to, so then we can able to redirect it to https colon